In this video, I'll show you how to send a fax online using eFax. And if you're looking for a fax service with a free trial, check out eFax using the link in the description below. To start, open the website myportal.efax.com. On the field provided, enter your email, fax number, or account name. Once entered, click on Next. Next, enter your password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, this is the first page you will see, the Compose a Fax screen. First, you have to enter the recipient of the fax you will be sending. You could choose to manually enter the details of the recipient such as the first and last name, company name, and country code in the fields provided. If the recipient of the fax is already saved on your contacts, you could just click on the contact icon at the middle part of the screen. On the list of contacts, click on the recipient you wish to choose. Then click on Add. You could add up to 50 recipients of the fax you wish to send. Next, under Attachments, click on the box to upload the file you wish to send. You could also choose to drag and drop the file in the box provided. Once the file is uploaded, click on Send Fax. That's how you send a fax online using eFax. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.